Hello, welcome to Billconch Gun Safe. Today we're gonna show you how to set up our safe model B2. Okay, let's open it up. Let's see a pair of keys here. And then the safe is here. Let's open it up. Let's take it out. Okay, let's use the key to open the safe first because it's not connected to any power. Key is the only way to open it. All right, please do not place the key inside the safe because you don't want to lock this key inside the safe. All right, okay. Inside the safe, you'll see bag of cables, tools with charging cables and screwdrivers, battery, and of course our user manual. Okay, now let's set it up. First things first, let's install the battery. Let's take out the screwdriver from the accessories bag and the battery. Okay. Inside here, there is a battery cover here. Let's use the screwdriver to unscrew and take out the battery cover. And the battery cover tells you the polarity of the battery. Please make sure that the polarity is exactly the same as what it calls out in the battery cover. Right? Here is positive, here is negative. Okay. Let's install it. Positive facing this way. Now, once the battery lights up, you'll see the light. Once the battery connected, you'll see the light lights up. Then we'll install back the screw. Tighten it up. Okay. Now the safe is ready to go. And it's in demonstration mode, meaning anybody's fingerprint can open the safe. Let's try it. See? Anybody's fingerprint can open the safe. And also the default password for the safe is 6 zeros. Let's wake it up first, pressing the enter button. Okay, it's a default password. Now let's set it up. First, we encourage our users to set up the password first. Okay, in here you'll see 3 buttons: set admin password, set fingerprint, and reset. So let's press and hold on to the set password key, the button. Press and hold. 1, 2. Now, it's when you hear a beep, it is ready to take your password. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press enter, and then it'll ask you to repeat again. It's going to be a 6-digit password. Okay, now let's try it. Let's wake it up. And then, okay. Now that the password is programmed, none of the fingerprints can open the safe now because it's protected by the password. Let's try the finger. See, it's not working. Okay, no. Now let's set up the fingerprints. By setting up the fingerprints, one thing very important is how do you scan your fingerprints. If you don't scan it correctly, it will result to the safe might not be able to recognize your finger in future. Okay, so let's use a nice and clean finger. Let's clean it up. And then please do not scan it like this, right? Please do not scan it like this. Please do not scan it like this or like very gently, but a very nice firm scan like this. Okay, so now let's set it up. To set up the fingerprint, here's a set fingerprint button here. Let's press and hold on to it for 2 seconds until you hear a beep, like 1, 2. Now you hear a beep, the fingerprint sensor lights blue. That means it's ready to take your fingerprints, right? If it times out, just press it again. 1, 2. When it lights up, it's ready. Okay, nice and firm, 1, 2. It'll ask you to scan 5 times. 3, 4, 5. Now this shows that your fingerprint is ready. Okay, now let's try it. Nice and firm. All right. And let's try it with another finger. See if it blocks it. Okay, it blocks it. Yep. Always try a few more times when you first set it up, because our system can learn a wider path of your fingerprints. So open it for a few more times to make sure that it will recognize the whole entire fingerprint of your finger. Now, if you wanted to add more finger, just press and hold the same key, the same button here, and then repeat the steps, okay? Now, we're going to erase the safe. Say if you wanted to keep the safe, handed the safe to somebody else, you don't want your personal information to be stored in the safe, just press and hold the reset button here when it's opened. Let's press and hold the reset button. Press and hold for 5 seconds. Right, it'll start to beep. Press enter during the beep. Now it is back to the factory settings. Any fingerprint can open the safe now. See? And the default password is changed back to 6 zeros. Okay, thank you very much. That's it for the video.